Let's get busy. We're making beef stroganoff for dinner. Worcestershire. I don't have Dijon, but I have honey mustard. Sour cream, mushrooms and thyme, butter, olive oil, salt and pepper, beef broth. Your choice of egg noodles. I chose the wide ones because those were the cheapest. Oil in there. I'm not crying, you're crying. I don't usually measure garlic, but you can do as little as 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna do 2. I'm just gonna pour all these in there. We're gonna add a cup and a little over half of beef broth. So a teaspoon of fresh thyme, tablespoon, but I'm gonna do a whole tablespoon because I love that taste, and so does my family. Again, that's a good flavor. So that's like 3 tablespoons right there. And you're gonna do a half a cup of sour cream. And we're gonna put it and pepper. We're gonna generously season this. A little salt. Put your lid on. Put it on low for 6 hours.